Welcome back. Now news from sports. Avdumber Hede seems to be finding his last season's form where he was scoring fast all in the Polo Cup. However, compared to his standards, Avdumber has blown hot and cold this season, but round 4 of the Polo Cup saw him make up some places on the championship standings. Meanwhile, Donnovan Vaz has had a much better outing this time around and is running Avdumber neck and neck in the championship standings, but Donnovan had a damp round in 4 in Chennai. Here's a report after 4 rounds of the Volkswagen Polo Cup.
Have a look at the championship standings before the 4th round of the Volkswagen Polo Cup. Goa's Avdumber Hede was in 3rd position with 58 points, whereas Donnovan Vaz was in 5th with 48 points in the Pro category. There are also the overall standings that includes all the drivers from all the classes of the Polo Cup. Avdumber Hede is 4th with 141 points in this category, followed by Donnovan Vaz in 5th with 124 points. All in all, one has to say both Goan drivers have been impressive in the 2012 edition of the Volkswagen Polo Cup, but round 4 was better for Avdumber Hede than Donnovan Vaz. Avdumber finished 3rd in the first race and 7th in the second of round 4.
After the lap 1, we had a tough battle, the second and the third. I was in the 3rd place. We had a tough battle till the end, the last lap, but I could not get in front of him because it was very difficult for me, as he was like playing a defensive side of the race. In the end, I just settled for the 3rd place. Anyway, it was a good race for me, as if you check the championship points, we are very close now, and from the 4th place from the last round, I've come to 3rd now. So which is good as a championship standings for me.
Indeed, it's bettered Avdumber's position on the championship standings. The Madgaon-based driver is now in 2nd position in the Pro category with 79 points, whereas in the overall category, Avdumber has jumped up 1 spot into 3rd position. Donnovan Vaz has sadly fallen 1 position and is now in 6th in the Pro category, and in the overall, the Varka-based racer is in the 7th position. The Polo Cup will take a break till December, before which action will resume at Noida's Buddh Formula 1 International Race track in December. Round 5 and Round 6 will take place at the JP Formula 1 track. With sports reporter Nikhil Pereira, reporter Savio Dias from Madgaon.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.